Hello friends, I am fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size India. This episode is a progressive third in the series of fitness improvement. Today we will see the execution of assessment procedure. After completing filling of PARQ, consent form and interview, fitness assessment starts with part 1. First is recording of blood pressure using digital equipment. Second is recording of body composition, that is fat percentage. This is done using bioelectric impedance analysis machine. Third is recording body measurements, namely height, weight, waist circumference at iliac crest. Fourth is waist circumference at narrow part of the torso, and fifth is maximum hip circumference. That's the end of part 1. Now part 2 starts with proper warm-up and mobility drills. All the tests in part 2 are explained, demonstrated and made to practice prior to the test. First is step test for 3 minutes using stopwatch, 12-inch step board and metronome set to 96 BPM. After the test, pulse is palpated for 1 complete minute and findings are recorded. Second is push-up test, that is also to failure. For men, toe is the pivot. For women, knee is the pivot. Maximum complete reps are counted and recorded. Third is curl up test. This is also to failure. Supine position, knee flexed, middle finger touching to the marking. Second marking at 12 centimeters for 45 years and below, and at 8 centimeters for all those who are above 45 years. Metronome set at 40 BPM. Slow controlled curl-ups are asked to do, fingers sliding to reach the second marking. Maximum number of complete repetitions are counted and recorded. Fourth is flexibility of 3 muscle groups, and fail or pass is recorded for all these 3 tests. One is for quadriceps, in which each heel should comfortably touch the buttock while lying prone and without lifting knee. Second is hamstring. Raise each leg comfortably to 70 to 80 degree without bending knee. 3 is hip flexure, lying supine, hip at the edge of the bench, wrapping both knees into the chest. Extend each leg at a time at hip and drop. Knee to go below hip. Last is postural assessment in 3 views: front, side and back. Key points are observed in each view and recorded. Friends, depending on our habits, lifestyle and work culture, etc., our body posture deviates from normal, leading to many problems. Fitness assessment test gives us reliable and sufficient data to work upon. Next episode is on understanding the data of fitness assessment test. Keep watching further episodes of Fitness Size India. Do like as well as comment if you enjoyed. See you then. See you soon. Goodbye.